Hi, I'm Dr. Serena Satcher, and I'm talking today about the gut-brain connection. And I'm also talking about foggy brain, which is a consequence of having inflammation and having kind of like leaky brain is what I call it, and not such a good gut-brain connection going on. And that's because mainly people that have this going on have digestive issues. They may be invisible digestive issues, or they may be having some symptoms of digestive issues. So the causes that I want to talk about today are menopause and andropause, and that's andropause is like the male menopause. But menopause, I'm sure you all know about what it is. It's when the women's period stops and they stop having the cycles. And there's no really set age, but it usually happens in middle age in the 40s and the 50s. And a lot of people can have what they call foggy brain. They have problems remembering as much as they used to remember, and they feel like they're not as sharp. So this is usually because there's systemic inflammation. We really need to do an investigation and try to figure out why there's systemic inflammation, or why the menopausal or andropause symptoms are so bad. They shouldn't be as horrific as like what a lot of people are experiencing. So click the like button, subscribe, go to my blog on my website and read more information that's more in depth. I just do little short tidbits here to get you to want to look for more information. And a lot of people have hormonal imbalances contributing to foggy brain right now. So, and I saw an article recently, I posted it on my LinkedIn, about COVID causing hormonal imbalances and then causing people that have menopause and andropause to suffer more symptoms. So, all right, have a great day, and thanks for stopping by. Click the like, click the subscribe button, and click below for more information. Thank you.